Hey everybody, how you doing? Dashin Dave here again. Please click that subscribe button and hit that like button. Thank you very much. Happy Friday, November 25th today, day after Thanksgiving. Hope everybody had a good Thanksgiving. All right, so I did not work yesterday, Thanksgiving, nor did I work Wednesday. Took the 2 days off. Good to do the big push here through the weekend. ISU is not playing football here this weekend, so I will be out this weekend. Okay, so we're going to be doing something a little bit differently here today, and that is I've got all the apps going. I don't have Doordash going yet. I am on pause. But I've got Doordash, Uber Eats, Grubhu, Spark, and Roadie all going. The customer demand bar on Spark is huge today. Now, I found out something the last couple days. I got to plead ignorance. I did not realize that Walmart was going to be closed on Thanksgiving. I learned that like a day ahead before. So for Thursday, yesterday, Thanksgiving, when I was at the anticipated customer demand bars, they were pretty, stout. But they were closed. So I'm assuming that the customer demand bars per hour for each individual day is historical. Don't know how long, but it's historical. So what I was seeing was the anticipated customer demand for Thursdays from a historical point of view, because they didn't have any deliveries yesterday, so there should have been no bars. So the customer demand bars today are pretty stout. This is the day after Thanksgiving. Okay, we just rolled into town. We've got a Spark order here. 20 orders, 19 miles, $50.62. I've seen something like this before. I'll bet you we'll be in Story City or Cambridge or somewhere. Okay, right off the bat you go south, 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 south. Well, okay, then we go west. Okay. Ooh, are these all in Ames? These are all in Ames. And it doesn't appear to be very many stairs. I gotta pull over here real quick. Extra large order. Little Tykes Cape Cottage House. I'm assuming that's one of those little yard toys that you build out of plastic that the kiddies can get into. Okay, so that's pretty large. I'm gonna go ahead and take that. That'll be my largest order so far. Extra large order. So, with that Little Tykes Playhouse, not a lot of people would probably be able to take that. We can take a look at this here real quick. PlayStation, Apple Watch, that's not very big. The Little Tykes Cape Cottage House, pink in color. Nintendo Switch, that's just a little tiny earbuds. Xbox console, wireless controller for a PlayStation. Nintendo Switch, 6-piece bedding set. AirPods. Okay, Roku Premiere 4K HDR streaming. I'm not sure what that is. Probably just a box. Yeah, Roku's a box. AirPods, Apple Watch with GPS. Harry Potter Hogwarts Lego set. I think that's a Nintendo game. That'd be a CD or whatever. A cartridge. Nintendo Switch. 32-inch computer monitor. AirPods. Okay. Yeah. 20 deliveries. $50. It'll probably be, close to 2 hours. But it's all in Ames. Alrighty. So it's just right at 10 after 8. So we're going to call this 8 o'clock start time. We'll run the time and the miles from here. Okay, so this is paying $50.62 for 20 deliveries. That comes out to $2.53 per delivery, but only 20 miles. So that's the mileage metric is going to be good. The per delivery metric is not that great. And you might remember last week, one time, I decided not to take one of these, but that one took me all the way up to Story City, which would have been 15 miles, possibly up to 15, 20, 30 minutes back from wherever I was back into Ames. So that would have been dead miles, dead time. This is all in Ames. So once I'm done with that last delivery, I have the opportunity to get another Walmart Spark, or I can flip over to any of the food apps. So that's, the 253 doesn't sound that great, but the quicker I can get this done, so to speak, the better the hourly pay. So that'll be interesting to see how this goes, because I've never done one this big. I think 10 was the largest one I did through East Ames and then over in Nevada. So yeah, we'll start the day out with a $50 bill. Yep. right, had some microphone issues, so we'll just recap here. I just got done at 10:15, so 2 hours and 15 minutes for that 5064. That came out to $22.50 an hour, and my mileage was $2.53 per mile. That's a real good metric. So that was a good little long run. It seemed to take longer than it should have, but when you break it down, 20 stops. I probably took some longer time than I should have trying to get a hold of people that did not leave door codes at apartments. And I got to the point where I texted them, I said it's outside, and then just scanned and took the picture and ran. If I had to make contact with everybody today, half the packages would be going back. And it does say, leave in a safe place, take a picture. You know, safe place is rather subjective, but you know, if I had to put it inside the doors on all those apartments that require door codes, half of it would be going back. So it is what it is. Hopefully that's the way everybody else does it, because, you know, like I said, half the people aren't home. Half the kids are not here. You know, they're not coming back till Monday. And so anyway, a couple people I was able to make contact with, and one of them did leave the door code in the instructions. So I'll be back out tomorrow, Saturday. There's going to be, you know, more deal deliveries in the morning with Walmart. And that is helping me out a lot here this last 2 weeks. And again, like all the other guys and gals have said, you got to diversify, multi-app, yada yada. And I'm really hoping and thinking that at least for certain portions of the day, running Spark along with the other food delivery apps is going to be a nice mix for me in my strategy. All right, guys and gals, that's all I've got for you today. Hopefully you can take something from this video and put it to use for yourself. Thanks for coming along for the ride, and hope to see you next time.